You're welcome to Home Maths with Faye. This is our JAMB series where we solve JAMB past questions. This is the 5th video in this series, and today we are dealing with decimal. So let's take a look at this question. This question evaluates 0.5625 squared minus 0.4375 squared, all divided by 0.04. Correct your answer to 3 significant figures. Now, this is a question that should be a time saver, a walkover for you if it comes before you in your JAMB exam, provided you understand the trick. So, whenever you are to take the difference between squares, right, we use what we call the formula of difference of squares. Again, difference of squares. Now, what does that formula say? The rule of difference of squares says when you are to take the difference between a squared minus b squared, the square of a number minus the square of another number, then you have, that is also the same as taking what? A plus b to be multiplied by a minus b. For example, if I'm to have 6 squared minus 4 squared, normally you should say, okay, this is 6 squared 36 minus 4 squared 16, and that gives us 20. But if I'm to use this rule, it will be what? 6 plus 4 multiplied by 6 minus 4, and that is 10 multiplied by 2, and that gives me 20. So anytime you come across something like looks like this, just use the formula of what? Difference of squares. So let's come back to our question. Let's apply the rule of difference of squares here. This should be what? 0.5625 plus 0.4375 multiplied by 0.5625 minus 0.4375. Don't forget all to be divided by 0.04. When you add those together, interestingly, it gives us 1. Then when you subtract this, it gives us 0.125. Then divided by 0.04. Of course, 1 multiplied by 0.125 is same as 0.125 divided by 0.04. You can use your calculator to do that, and you arrive at 3.125. But remember, that's not your final answer. You said correct to 3 significant figure. So let me explain what significant figure implies. Significant figure means all these figures that are needed here should just be 3. Starting from the first significant figure. The first significant figure here is 3. Are we together? So you have 1, 2, 3. But we have 5 left. What do we do to 5? Now, after you have counted the number of significant figure you needed, 1, 2, 3. That's the number of significant figure you needed, right? The next number to hit, you check if it's up to 5. Are we together? If it's up to 5, that means 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If it's any of this, then you add 1 to the number before it. But if it's not up to 5, let's say it is 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, then you get rid of it without adding anything to this particular one. One thing about this is that many of you are confused with significant figure and decimal places, right? I'm going to make a video where I'm going to explain the difference between significant figure and decimal place. If I'm doing that here, this video will be getting too long. So again, let me explain to you. We need 3 significant figures. This is the first significant figure, 1, 2, 3, right? Then you check the number here. If it's up to 5 and above, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then you add 1 to the number in front of it while you get rid of this 5. So if approximated 3.13 and you spell it out, 3 significant figure, and that is our answer. So as usual, let me give you the task. The task, 64.764 squared minus 35.236 squared, and correct your answer to 3 significant figure. If you work this carefully, you should arrive at 2,950 as your answer in three significant figure. Do like, share, comment, subscribe, and I would also like to hear from you in the comment section, or you reach out to us on our WhatsApp. See you.